Hello everyone, welcome back to Texas with Samuel. In this video, we're going to dive into 10 powerful general tech tips that everyone should know in the year 2026. Whether you are using a smartphone, a laptop, or browsing the internet daily, these tech tips will help you stay safer, work smarter, and get the most out of your devices. Make sure you watch to the end because the last tips can actually save you from losing your important data. Let's get right into the video. The first tech tips I'm going to be sharing with you is using a strong and unique password. First thing to do is to use a very strong password. Using the same password everywhere is one of the biggest mistakes people make in one account. If one account gets hacked, all your accounts are at risk. Use a strong password that includes uppercase, lowercase letter, numbers, special character. Even better, use a special manager like Bitwanda or 1Password to generate and store strong passwords securely. And please stop using 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 or your date of birth. It is very wrong and it's very risky. Tips 2. Turn on two-factor authentication. Two-factor authentication is also called 2FA. Even if someone knows your password, they can't log in without the second code sent to your phone or authentication app. Enable 2FA on email accounts, social media, banking apps, cloud storage. It takes just a few minutes to set up, but it can prevent major problem. Tech tips 3. Keep your device updated. Whenever you see a software updates notification, don't ignore it. Updates fix the following: security vulnerability, bugs, performance issue. Whether you're using an Android, iPhone, Windows, or Mac, keep your device updated. Protect you from hackers and improve performances. Tech tips 4. Always back up your data. Imagine losing your phone today. What happens to your photos, your contacts, and your files? That is why backup is very important. Use the following: Google Drive, iCloud, external hard drive, cloud storage devices. They enable you automatically backup so you don't have to remember manually. Trust me, you don't want to learn this lesson the hard way. Tech tips 5. Be careful with public Wi-Fi. Public Wi-Fi in cafes, airports, and hotels can be dangerous. Hackers can intercept your data on unsecure network. If you must use public Wi-Fi, avoid logging into bank account. Use a VPN. Make sure websites use HTTPS. Your personal information is valuable. Protect it. Tech tip 6. Clear cache and uninstall unused app. If your phone feels low, this tips is for you. Over time, apps store temporary file called cache. Too much cache can slow down your device. Go to settings, then from settings go to storage, then go to clear cache and click on clear cache to clear all these files. Also, uninstall apps you don't use. They consume storage, battery, and sometimes even data in the background. A clean phone is a fast phone. Tech tip 7. Improve battery life the smart way. Want your battery to last longer? Here's what you should do. Reduce the screen brightness. Turn off Bluetooth and GPS when not in use. Enable battery saver mode. Close background apps. Avoid charging your phone to 100% all the time. Keep it between 20% and 80% can help extend battery lifespan. Tech tips 8. Organize your file properly. Whether on your phone or laptop, create folders instead of dumping everything on your desktop. Create folder for work, create folder for school, for personal, for projects. This saves time and creates productivity. Remember, organization saves stress. Tech tips 9. Recognize online scams. Scams are increasing daily. Be careful of messages saying you have won a prize, urgent requests for money, fake investment opportunity, email asking for your password. Always verify before sending money or sharing personal information. Tech tips 10. Learn basic tech skills. In 2026, tech skills are no longer optional. Learn basic skills like using Google efficiently, basic troubleshooting, file management, cloud storage usage, cybersecurity awareness. You don't need to be a programmer, but understanding technology gives you confidence and independence. Invest in learning, it pays off. And there you have it, 10 powerful tech tips everyone should know, including yourself. If you find this video helpful, make sure you like this video, share it to 1 or 2 person, and subscribe to Tech Sense with Samuel for more tech tips and tutorial. Comment below which tech tips you are already using and which one you are starting today. Thanks for watching, and I'm going to see you in the next video. Peace.